Hi, this is Chinmayi. Today I'm going to be speaking to you about one of my favorite products that I use for when I need some sort of an at-home pedicure. So let me take you right in. This is the Holika Baby Silky Foot One Shot Peeling. So what this is let me explain. So in this box it comes with these plasticky socks and this 20 plus 20 ml of liquid that you need to pour into each of your socks and leave it for about 25 minutes. A word of caution though, if you have very sensitive skin on your feet or if you are prone to bruising, then you might want to patch test this first. As with any skincare, I would definitely suggest patch test. Another thing that you can do is check up on this website called cosdna.com, which is cosdna.com, to see if there are, especially if you're using skincare for your face, whether some of these have potential acne triggers. So how this works is that I use this probably once in a couple of months, and when I use this sock, perhaps I just use it for about 25 minutes and then I take it off, and then is when the action starts. About 2 or 3 days into using this, the skin in your feet will actually start peeling like almost a snake shedding its skin. So that will actually lead to total exfoliation of the top layers of your skin on your foot. And it does leave, I have really felt very happy using this each time. It gives me a strange sense of satisfaction that you know, the dead cells are getting exfoliated and stuff like that. I have loved using this. I use up about 5 or 6 in a year because I usually get pedicures once a month, and I think this is enough to, you know, supplement that. So this is something that I have loved using. You can get it off these websites like which I mentioned earlier, like Testa Korea, Korea Depart, Joel Say, and also a couple of other websites as well. So check it out and let me know what you think about this. Until I see you in my next video, this is Chinmayi saying bye-bye.